Ikea Havsta built-ins part 2. After we brought everything up and made sure it fit correctly, it was now time to paint and prime. Most importantly, when painting Ikea furniture, prep is key. So I went over everything with a 120 grit, and then I went in and filled the holes. Next up, it was primer. For this project, I started off with everything in place using just a roller and a brush to prime, but quickly decided to transition to bringing it all back downstairs so that I could spray it. This allowed me to be able to prime all of the pieces as fast and efficiently as I could. So after priming everything with the gray primer, I became a little concerned that it might not have enough sticking power for this kind of furniture with the paint. So my second coat, I ended up going over it all with an extreme bond primer. This way I knew that I would have the best base possible for going on with paint next. Since I had chosen a bare color, I went ahead and got their urethane enamel paint to use on this project. After sanding everything with a 220 grit, it was then time to go on with paint. I absolutely love this color. And my Wagner sprayer allowed me to get a flawless finish on all of these pieces. Next thing we did was bring them all back upstairs so that we could put them back together, and then it was time to go shopping for the trim and the backboard. Stay tuned for part 3.